Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix CashApp stocks. We couldn't verify your ID. So first thing we're gonna need to do is to ensure accurate personal information. So double check that all the information you entered matches official documents such as your full legal name, date of birth, address, and avoid abbreviations like this or like this. So social security number or the SSN. And step number 2 is to use a high quality photo ID. So upload a clear and well lit photo of your government issued ID and ensure that the entire ID is visible. No glare or shadows obscure critical information. The ID is not expired. Supported IDs typically include driver's license, passport, and state ID. For step number 3 is to update your Cash App. So make sure you're using the latest version of Cash App. Outdated versions might have bugs that affect verification. So make sure you have to update the application. And lastly, if the verification still fails, then we have to contact Cash App support. So to do that, just open Cash App, tap your profile, and then go to support. Select the contact support or search for the identity verification and explain the issue or your concern. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!